ISR is probably the single greatest repository of methodological expertise in the world. To be able to share our knowledge with others who are just getting started in the field is very important.
The Institute, we pride ourselves on excellence in research and in education. Everything we do, we're also teaching people how to do.
No matter where I travel in the world, and I do a lot of traveling, when I'm asked where I'm from and I say I'm from the University of Michigan Institute for Social Research, it's immediately recognized.
If we want to achieve excellence, we have to be able to test the models, theories, and hypotheses we have across more than one setting. We're searching for what's real and true in the social world around us. We want to understand the extent to which what's true in the United States is also true in England or Germany. What's true in Europe might also be true in Africa or Asia. How different social circumstances combine to change the lives of individuals and families.
So right now we're actively working in China, Ghana, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Nepal, and most recently we've undertaken some work in India. We just signed a collaborative agreement with the National Council for Applied Economic Research in India. So I think we all realize it's critically important that we have an understanding, an awareness of the rest of the world, and social science research really is a window into that world.
I hear from my Chinese colleagues and friends that they first knew of the University of Michigan through releases of my survey data. It's predictive of how consumers will spend, and that affects the total economy. And so that there are many countries that have adopted our methods to help them forecast their economic situation and how the economy will evolve. There's some 70 countries that now do this in every inhabited continent in the world.
There's over 100 publications in journals every year using our data by people all over the world. Countries like China and India are facing challenges from their aging population. So the model that is high quality data collection, making it available for many people to use creatively, has proved to be a very successful model, and I think it's a wonderful example of what ISR is all about.
Well, over the past 30 or 40 years now, I've been involved in a number of studies that sort of look at the impact of the environment, environmentally related programs on people. And the idea of being able to transfer some of those skills and knowledge that we've accumulated over time to other places, I think is extremely important in terms of helping them in their growth and development.
There are countries that were democracies or became democracies that were interested in the survey aspects of public opinion research. And so we've had an active series of programs that you could call capacity building, in which we have tried to help people in places all over the world to establish their own capacity to conduct surveys and polls.
One of my favorite parts of the work in Nepal is being able to take students at the University of Michigan to Nepal to live there for a few months, work there for a few months, and intersect with staff there for a few months. Again, if our job is to train the leaders and best, I think to be a leader in the modern world, understanding the nature of social life in places very different than Michigan is so important, whether you're a kid who grew up in Michigan like I did, or a kid who grew up anywhere in the United States and hasn't had an opportunity to have those experiences.
You know, the world of social science research is rapidly changing. So I think it's just an incredibly exciting time to be involved in international collaborations.
The application of social theories to actual research on human problems The Institute for Social Research is absolutely second to none. We're both doing it and we're teaching how to do it. That's awesome. I love that.